boys and girls, how are you? I hope you will be okay. If you are ready today's lesson, let's start our new lesson. Our new unit 9, transport, and the theme of the lesson, jobs. Dear pupils, we are going to learn describe profession you know. Балалар, бүгінгі сабақта біз мамандықты сипаттауды үйренеміз. Ask, answer questions and describe transport. Транспортты сипаттай отырып сұрақ қоюды, сұраққа жауап беруді үйренеміз. Write about a job you like. Өздеріңіздің ұнататын жұмыстарыңыз туралы жазуды үйренеміз. Talk about transport. Транспорт жайлы сөйлеуді үйренеміз. Today's new activities about profession. Repeat after me these new words. Racing driver, жарыс жүргізушісі. Firefighter, өрт сөндіруші. Teacher, мұғалім. Cyclist, велошабандоз. Actor, әртіс, актер. Farmer, фермер. Pilot, ұшқыш. Scientist, ғалым. Taxi driver, такси жүргізушісі. Artist, суретші. Doctor, доктор, дәрігер. Sailor, теңізші. Nurse, медбике, күтуші. Train driver, машинист, пойыз жүргізушісі. Businessman, кәсіпкер, бизнесмен. Bus driver, автобус жүргізушісі. Captain, капитан. Dear pupils, if you know profession, let's do task. Task number 1. Ask and answer questions about jobs. Мамандық туралы сұрақ қойып, сұраққа жауап береміз. Use the key phrases and the words. Мына сөздерді қолданамыз. Boring, жалығу. Interesting, қызықты. Easy, жеңіл. Difficult, қиын. Stressful, жүйкеге тиерлік. Dangerous, қауіпті. Hard, ауыр. Well paid, жақсы ақша төленетін. Tiring, шаршаңқы. Exciting, желіктіретін. What do you want to be? Сіз кім болғыңыз келеді? I want to be a doctor. Мен дәрігер болғым келеді. I think it's interesting job. Менің ойымша ол қызықты жұмыс. Yes, yeah, but it's dangerous job. Бірақ ол қауіпті жұмыс. What is your mother's job? Сіздің анаңыздың мамандығы қандай? She is a nurse. Ол мейірбике. She works in a hospital. Ол ауруханада жұмыс істейді. Boys and girls, let's show a short video about profession. Pay attention to this video. Балалар, қысқа бейнероликке назарымызды аударайық.
Good morning, Tony.
Good morning.
What's your father's job?
My dad? He works in a bank. He works in the city.
Oh, how does he go to work?
He usually goes by train, but sometimes my dad has to go to America.
Does he go by boat?
Of course not. He goes by plane.
What about your mum? What's her job?
My mum works in the library in town.
How does she go to work?
She usually goes by car, but sometimes she goes by bus.
Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
Hello, Alex.
Hi.
What's your mother's job?
She's a nurse.
Oh, that's a great job. Where does she work?
She works in a hospital in town. It's very big. There are a lot of nurses and doctors there. My mum works with children.
How does she go to work?
My mum loves sport. She usually goes by bike, but sometimes she goes on foot.
Well, thanks, Alex.
You're welcome.
Dear pupils, do you understand this video? If you understand this video, let's do next task. Task number 3. Read the descriptions and guess the jobs. Do you agree with the descriptions? Балалар, мына тапсырманы орындаймыз. Мұқият сөйлемдерді оқып, мамандықтарды табамыз. She works on a bus. Ол қыз автобуста жұмыс істейді. It's hard job. Жұмысы ауыр. She is a bus driver. Wonderful job. Яғни ол автобус жүргізушісі екен. Dear boys and girls, are you ready for the sing-a-song? Let's start sing a song.
Little Smart Planet presents Jobs. fireman. Firemen are dressed in red, and they wear helmets to protect their heads. We call them when there's a fire, and they come and put it out with their super hose. Oh no, there's a fire! Don't worry, the firemen are on their way. Firemen also rescue cats from trees. Teacher. The school is a really important place for our education. That's where teachers work. The teacher is the person who teaches us everything. In the classroom, there's a blackboard, and on that blackboard, the teacher writes the things we learn. They teach us mathematics, English, geography, science, everything. Astronaut. To become an astronaut, you have to study a lot because it's very difficult to become one. Astronauts are the explorers of space. They travel in space rockets that launch from Earth really fast to reach very, very far into space. Astronauts orbit around the Earth and watch us from far away. Our planet is so beautiful from up here. Since there is no gravity in space, astronauts float around. Astronauts have reached the moon. Doctor. The doctor works in the hospital. The doctor's job is really important because he's the one who cures us when we are sick. In the doctor's office, there is a lot of equipment he uses to work. There are thermometers, stethoscopes, bandages, and medicine. Doctor, I'm not feeling too well. Don't worry, I'll fix you in no time. If something hurts, the doctor will help you. Farmer. On a farm, there are lots of animals. There are cows, pigs, chickens, ducks. But who takes care of them? The farmer. The farmer sees to everything on the farm. He takes care of the animals, feeds them, and takes them to the stables at night and when it's cold. The farmer also grows fruits and vegetables.
Pupils, today we learned a lot of profession. You should learn by heart all these new words. If you have any questions, you should to send your jobs in your own teacher. The lesson is over. Goodbye. See you later.